How to enable or disable short name and contacts on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to contact. Here in contact, you can see here the short name. And to enable or disable the short name, okay, you can tap this and you can see the short name, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And to enable, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, you can set this short name, so you can set into first name and last initial, or you can set into first initial and last name, or first name only, or lastly the last name only. So I decide to set the short name into first name only. Note guys, short name are sometimes used to fit more names on screen. Chinese, Japanese, and Korean names are not affected by these settings. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled short name and contacts on iPhone X.